Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Let's make simple sandwich with potatoes and green chutney. It is very healthy as we are using coriander green chutney. Let's prepare the aloo stuffing for sandwich. Smash the boiled potatoes. Once it is done, add salt to taste, pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder as per your taste, one tablespoon of dhaniya powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala or dry mango powder, chopped coriander leaves. Mix them well. Add water if needed. Make it into a thick stuffing. Now our stuffing is ready. Let's make the sandwich. Take a slice of bread. Apply green chutney. For the recipe, just check out the description box. Take another slice of bread. Apply the potato stuffing and spread it over. And another slice of bread. Apply some mayo. It gives a creamy taste to our sandwich. Now just arrange the sandwich. Garnish it with tomatoes and onions if preferred. Place a cheese slice. It's completely optional. Let's grill it in a sandwich stand. Just toss it on both the sides. Now our tasty sandwich is ready. Try this wonderful recipe for your breakfast. Everyone at home loves it. Healthy and perfect sandwich is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more simple and healthy recipes.